This cat didn't fall asleep, it switched modes. As soon as the doctor clips the cat's neck, the animal suddenly becomes calm, almost motionless, no force, no sedation. So what happened? This technique is called clipnosis. When the loose skin on a cat's neck is gently lifted, it triggers a deep instinct from kittenhood. The cat's brain interprets it as its mother carrying it by the neck. In that moment, the body shifts from fight mode to calm mode. Muscles relax, resistance fades. The cat remains in this relaxed state until the clip is removed. Not fear, not control, just instinct taking over.